So over here I am in structured, and you can see that I got days listed out right here on the top, and the first day of the week is actually Sunday. But if you want to go ahead and change the first day of the week that you see right here, then you can easily do that by going around over here onto settings. And then what you can do is you can go around over here onto advanced. So here the first day of the week is system default. So it is pulling out the data from my system where the first day is set to Sunday. But if you want to go ahead and change that out, you can click on it and then choose Tuesday, let's say for instance. Then you can see that the Tuesday becomes the first day of the week, and then it ends on Monday. You can go around over here, change it to Monday just like this as well. Or you can go ahead and change it out to Saturday, let's say, for example, just like this as well. And then the day changes out accordingly. When you go ahead and change out the day, you can see that the task moves as well. So you don't need to worry about the task not moving or so forth. So whenever you go to following weeks as well, you get the same day right there. And that is how you can set the first day of the week inside of structured. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.